So what do you think, dude? How do they look?
Oh my god, I just want to cry.
Aww.
What is up, everybody? We are working on a clothing line.
What's up?
For Justin over here. We're just going to kind of walk him through everything, what we're doing. We have one of the screens or designs set up already. It's a pretty simple, although Michelle did a pretty awesome job on this. I'll show you what it looks like after we start running these things off. What we're doing first is just kind of like a black and white, I don't even know what to call these shirts. What would you call them, Justin?
Sleeve. I would say.
I mean, they're long sleeve, but they have they're pretty unique.
Touch.
Th're cool. Yeah.
They're LA too.
We'll show you what we got going on in press.
Let's do it. Right.
So we're gonna run off a test print first. We've got black on station 8. We'll hit that a couple times and we'll see how one of the production samples comes out.
That's not a test print.
No, we've already done a test print,
Okay,
Shannon.
for video editing.
Yes, the magic of video editing, right?
Yes.
Video editing.
Yes. Don't disagree with him because he says right.
Yes, right. Right? You hush. So here we are, station number 8. We hit it a couple times, and then we'll make sure that all the pinholes are gone. So we're looking good. There's no pinholes, anything that needs blowing out. This shouldn't take too long. 5 minutes.
I guess I'll catch.
Again, Michelle designed this. Pretty cool design. We'll get a close-up here soon. So what do you think, dude? How do they look?
Oh my god, words cannot express.
I think Michelle did an awesome job.
She did an amazing
Print looks
job,
awesome.
dude. Like I just want to cry. Like that's how I feel.
While we let Justin have a moment with his shirt, we're gonna move on to the hoodies, which is a white print on black hoodie. However, we're going to print, geez, do I need to lose some weight?
Me too.
So here's the next print going down. It's going to be a print flash print. How many hoodies is it, Shannon?
13.
13.
Yeah.
So we'll probably let the press go around, flatten the print. We just have to make sure we don't burn them, because that wouldn't be good.
Oh, not in front of the tank.
Yeah.
That looks good. You like it?
She's got her new shirt on.
I love it.
They go along to her Mustang, which I'm going to peel out in
Thank you.
here in a second. It's a lot of cooks in the kitchen.
What?
Nothing. This video is brought to you by Brandon and his Pokemon bag.
Yep.
Brandon?
Not only can 11-year-old girls sport this, but
So can
Yeah, I could totally.
grown men can as well. We got our first sample print done for the hoodies. There's going to be a couple locations. One here on the chest and then another on the pocket. Mario's already getting after it on the press, and we'll record the hoodies printing. So what we're doing is we're doing a white base and it's twice. We are using a 230 mesh. We are flashing it and then hitting it with a flattening screen. And they are coming out nice and flat, looking really good. You can see the texture of the hoodie in there. So this is essentially just going to circle back around print it again, slash it, flatten it. It'll make for a nice smooth print. Alright, it's coming around, doing the second print. Flashing it until it's starting to stick just a touch to the flattening screen, but that's not a big deal. All it's doing is flashing it out, making it nice and flat. This is one of the reasons we use a higher mesh, because your lower mesh counts will tend, even on the first pass, you need a lot of heat to flash it. We're having to do another screen. In the meantime, I'm going to do a little bit of a sticker for them on the back of the Mustang. There we go, we got you all fixed up. What do you think about that?
Sick, I love it.
So now we're doing some face masks, and Justin's pretty happy with the placement of them.
Yeah.
Looks
Getting
good,
spooky.
dude. So Mario's over here heat pressing some face masks. Very cool little design we got going on here.
Yeah, right?
How's it go? For relationship advice. I'm
I'm not looking for relationship advice. I think I've got my relationship.
What do I look like, Dr. Phil to you? Anyways, we're moving on to we're moving on to the pocket print for the hoodies here. Mario's getting everything set up. What we kind of got figured out is we're using a 110. So 110 mesh. Gonna hit it a couple. Ooh, dang, that's really low. We're gonna put a little puff additive into it, make it bright. Make it bright. We're doing some test prints. Mario's dialing in the laser beams. You want to use a fourth one?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna see how this thing looks. Alright, let's see what we got. Looks good. I like it a lot. Oh, we're about to find out. Yeah, definitely puffed. What do you think, dude?
I dig it a lot.
You like it?
I love it.
That's all that matters.
Oh yeah.
There we go. So here's how the pocket prints are coming out. Kind of hard to tell on camera, but dude, these look awesome, dude.
I like how they
I like the
pop out.
texture. Yeah. That's right. Got a little bit of puff in it. Man, that's awesome, dude.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna kill it, Justin. I was telling Justin, I'm like, man, I'm in the wrong business. I'm doing the wholesale. Well, that was a lot of fun having Justin over. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, we'll see you later.